Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to verify your PayPal accounts. It's going to be a quick video. Let's get right into it. The first step is to log into your PayPal account. So you got to go to your PayPal website or log into your account using your email address and password, or you could also log in on your mobile app. And the second step is to click on the verify or verify account button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. And the third step, of course, is to choose a verification method. So there are three methods here. You can use bank account verification or credit card verification, as well as ID verification. Now we're going to start with bank account verification, and the first thing you need to do there is to enter your bank account information, and then PayPal will deposit two small amounts into your bank account. So you got to log into your PayPal accounts and enter the deposit amounts to verify through the bank account. Now credit card verification, first thing you need to do is to enter your credit card information, and then after that PayPal will charge a small amount to your credit card. Then you got to log into your PayPal account and enter the verification code. Now for ID verification, what you got to do is to upload a valid government issued ID, that is your driver's license or passport, and then PayPal will review your ID documents and confirm your identity. Now the fourth step, of course, is to wait for verification, or you got to wait for PayPal to verify your account, and that might take a couple of days. So you guys got to wait it out, and once that is done, your account is going to be verified. So a couple of tips for you guys. The first is to provide accurate information during the verification process so that everything goes smoothly. The second, of course, is to regularly review and update your account information. And lastly, you got to reach out to PayPal support if you encounter any issues during the verification process. They're going to help you out to smooth all that issues out. So that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, make sure you like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And if you have, we appreciate you. Please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.